Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert surface chart in Excel. So very easily you can insert it. So follow some my few easy steps. Firstly select your chart area like this and now click on insert and this option insert pie. So click on it and click on more pie charts and in this list you find this surface, so just click on it. Click on here surface and you see here more style will be there, control and more etc. So select which you like this or this and click on ok. So you see here very easily you can insert and you can change the title, you can insert title and you can drag and drop it and here you can type here your text. So very easily you can insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.